Hey, Tess.
Hey, what's up, Kat?
Look what I made.
What is this?
Body lotion.
It smells so good. I've given you the best idea ever.
What's your idea?
Do you know who Phytogenics is?
Are they that place in Morgantown?
Yeah, they basically manufacture body products like lotions, body scrubs.
Let's do it.
Okay.
We have about 250 people who work here, and there's so many different positions here, from batching, from formulating on the bench, from being process engineers, from customer service, down to operations quality, QC, and being on the production floor and actually filling a bottle in a jar.
This is your final batch sample, right? So it's going to be tested in our quality control lab to make sure it met all of the critical process parameters. We are going to make this batch in a tank with a high shear mixer. We've done some calculations to figure out that we'll have a blend time and all the proper different equations that would have to do with the high shear speeds, mixing properties, and rheology.
Utilizing my architectural background to design processes, plant areas, and new strategies to make. I love manufacturing because of the variability, the change, everything that you're exposed to, the challenge.
Quality control is a big part of our business here at Phytogenics, and one of the things that we do is check our fill weights regularly. Make sure that it's inspected.
And one of my favorite parts about the company is bringing someone's idea to fruition. Manufacturing is filled with so many different moving parts, and it's so exciting to see somebody's idea make the magic happen in the lab and get to execute it out on the production floor.
Phytogenics makes dreams come true.